Hey friends, how are you all doing? Wishing a very happy Thursday. Wake up every morning with a very grateful heart. Grateful that you are alive. You are the privileged one who has been given this opportunity for one more day in your life. Don't you think that's a huge privilege that is being denied to so many other people across the world? We are the ones woke up, we opened our eyes, we are blessed with one more new day. So every new day is such a great blessing because we can reset our goals, we can rethink our priorities, we can just go ahead and create so many miracles possible. Your life is in your hands. You are the one who control your life. So think of all your blessings, what all you are blessed with, what are the things you are grateful for. For example, when you wake up, you go to your washroom, you shower, be thankful you have running water, which is a privilege which is denied to so many people across the world. You have an internet connection, you have a device through which you can actually see this video. That is a great privilege which is denied to a huge number of population in this world. Be grateful for the space where you live. Be grateful that you can actually talk, speak, walk, smile, you can communicate with others, you can interact, you can express yourself. You have a sane mind, which is a privilege denied to so many other people. When you focus on all the good things in life, when you focus on what good things are coming in your life, when you say thank you universe for all the great things in your life, the good things are multiplied. Your experiences are actually going towards more miracles, more extraordinary things, because that is the law of universe. Open your heart to all the abundance that is coming your way. Stop complaining. Stop complaining. Don't invite things, situation, people, experiences to complain about. Be consistent, be positive, be loving, be generous, be grateful. I wish you all have a great, wonderful day. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Love you all. Bye.